Hello everyone, and welcome to Prime of Your Life, Week 2, where we focus on those in the 55 and up age category as well as empty nesters. And for Earth Day this Friday, we want to focus on gardening.
There are a lot of benefits to gardening at home. For one, it's more nutritious. For two, it helps you stay active. For three, it's good for vitamin D because you're out there in the sun. For four, it's more cost effective. And five, and most importantly, it's better for the environment.
Did you know that Livermore and Pleasanton both have community gardens of their own? Unfortunately, Dublin does not. And with the rise in townhomes over the past 10 years or so, it's really unfortunate because they don't have as many backyards to do something as beneficial as gardening. So we're suggesting those who live in Dublin to reach out to your local council person and really ask them to provide that community space where we can grow together.
So if you know anybody who's wanting to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, please give us a call.
Because after all,
We're better together.